Nothing is softer or more flexible than water, yet nothing can resist it. If there is magic on this planet, it is contained in water. Human nature is like water. It takes the shape of its container. Water is the driving force of all nature. Body is purified by water, ego by tears, intellect is purified by knowledge, and soul is purified with love. The idea is that flowing water never goes stale, so just keep on flowing. Doesn't matter if the glass is half empty or half full. All that matters is that you are the one powering the water. You will always find an answer in the sound of water. If you want to walk on water, you have to get out of the boat. The river has great wisdom and whispers. Its secrets to the hearts of men. I was still water, held by my surroundings. I am now a river, carving my own path.